G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Thursday, the 19th of June. And we'll continue to see high pressure dominate the weather for much of the country. It's going to lead to a cold, frosty morning through eastern inland parts of Australia, warming up further west through western parts of South Australia. Maybe some showers continuing through parts of WA after a wet Tuesday into Wednesday there, and maybe just the odd coastal shower for our islands offshore of Queensland. But otherwise, it's going to be another dry day for much of the country. Firstly, let's check out Queensland. Well, we saw a bit of weather earlier this week. We saw widespread rain across northern and eastern areas. That is all gone now. And sunshine now returning to our sunshine state, with temperatures in the mid to high 20s through many parts, getting around the 30-degree mark through northern areas. A little bit cooler though through southern and southeastern parts. Could be some inland frost for the southern inland as well. Brisbane looking at a partly cloudy 23 degrees. Moving down into New South Wales under that high pressure, that means a very cold morning on the way for many of our inland residents and communities, with temperatures well below zero for some areas with widespread morning frost. But that will then clear out to a sunny day with just a few partly cloudy conditions here and there, particularly around southern parts of the state. Eastern New South Wales looking at another dry and sunny day after a cool start. Canberra, a very cold -5, and then warming up to just 11 degrees tomorrow. Sydney, partly cloudy, cool start, warming up to 18 degrees tomorrow. Moving down into Victoria, again under that high pressure means conditions will be cold and frosty in the morning and then dry and partly cloudy during the day. Frost for inland areas possible, then warming up into the low to mid-teens in the south and maybe getting up into the high teens in the far northwest. Melbourne looking at a partly cloudy and dry day and 14 degrees. Moving down into Tasmania, and while eastern areas should stay mostly dry, could see showers developing across western and northern areas during the day on Thursday, and that'll keep conditions cool and cloudy there, but staying mostly dry through eastern and southern parts of Tasmania. Hobart looking at a partly cloudy day and 14 degrees. Moving up into South Australia, and again another dry day is on the way. Temperatures in the low 20s for northern areas and high teens to near 20 degrees in the south. It'll be a mild one in Adelaide tomorrow, partly cloudy and 19 degrees. Moving over into WA, we saw a pretty wet day on Wednesday through western areas. That has eased, but we're going to see more showers through Thursday, particularly through western and southwestern parts of the state. Temperatures also pretty mild as well, with temperatures around or just above 20 degrees. A bit warmer through northern areas, getting into the high 20s there. Not much rain expected with those showers, just a few light falls with that. Perth, a few showers and 21 degrees. And finally, across northern Australia, the middle of the dry season, cranking up right across northern areas. So it's dry, it's hot and it's sunny, as you'd expect for this time of year, right across the Kimberley, the top end, and much of the NT as well, and even into Cape York. Temperatures in the low 20s in southern NT, getting into the low 30s through northern parts of the NT. And Darwin, looking at a partly cloudy and dry day, 31 degrees. Remember to get the latest forecasts and warnings for your area via our website and app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.